Welcome to Maths is Easy. Hello friends, as there is always a need of help in calculating or solving mathematics questions on different levels, I am here for the same. Today in this video, I am going to solve chapter linear equations in one variable exercise 8.1 question number 13, 14, 15 and 16. So if you guys want to see the solutions of earlier chapters like rational numbers, exponents, square and square roots, cube and cube roots, algebraic expressions, factorization of algebraic expressions, and earlier solutions of linear equations in one variable, you can go by the description box where all the links are given. So not to waste further time, let's check it out how to solve question number 13, 14, 15 and 16 of exercise 8.1 chapter linear equation in one variable, class 8, publication house Goel Brothers Prakashan. So in question number 13, we have been given 6 within bracket 3m minus 1 plus 3 within bracket 2m plus 3 equal to 1 minus 7m. So this 6 will get multiplied by with this bracket and this 3 will get multiplied by this bracket. So 6 3 is 18m minus 6 1 is 6 plus 3 2 is 6m plus 9 1 minus 7m will be on the right hand side as it is. Now we can calculate the like terms, or we can shift or transpose the like terms. So here minus 7m will become positive 7m and 1 plus 6, and this 9 will be transposed, and this this 6 will be transposed to the right hand side. So after calculating, we will be here with 31 m and 1 minus 3. So m will coming out as minus 2 by 31. So we can say the solution of question number 13 of exercise 8.1 is minus 2 by 31. M equal to minus 2 by 31. Hope the question is quite clear. If you guys still having any type of doubt, you can ask me by commenting in the comment box. So this is the full glance of question number 13. Now come to the question number 14. So question number 14 is given as 6x minus 2 by 4 plus 1 by 3 within bracket 2x minus 1 equal to 4x. So here first of all we will solve this bracket. So 1 by 3 into 2 will be coming out as 2 by 3x, and 1 by 3 into 1 will be coming out as minus 1 by 3 equal to 4x, and 6x minus 2 by 4 will be intact. Now we will take the LCM of these three expressions. So LCM will be coming out as 12. So after calculation, 4 divided by 12 divided by 4 will be coming out as 3. So 3 into 6 18x minus 3 into 2 6. Then again 12 will be divided by 3 and 4 will be multiplied by 2 8x, and 3 again 12 will be divided by this 3 and again it will be multiplied, so get minus 4 equal to 4x. In our next step, we'll solve this 18x 8x as 26x, and minus 6 and minus 4 will be coming out as minus 10 equal to 48x. Why? Because this 12 here is in division. After transposing to the right hand side, it will get multiplied by this 4x. Now in our next step, we will transpose the same terms. So 26x, it will coming out in the left hand side as minus 48x, and this minus 10 once transposed to the right hand side will be coming out as positive 10. So after solving 26x minus 48x minus 22x and 10 will be here. So x is equal to 10 by minus 22. We will cancel it, and it will be coming out as minus 5 by 11. So the answer of question number 14, have a full glance of solution of question number 14. So the answer of question number 14 of exercise 8.1 linear equations in one variable, class 8, publication house Goel Brothers Prakashan, is x equal to minus 5 by 11. Hope the whole question is quite clear. Now move to the question number 15 and 16. So question number 15 is 1 plus x by 3 plus 6 within bracket 4x minus 2 equal to 5. So first of all we will solve this. 6 into 4 24x minus 6 into minus 2 minus 12. So 1 plus x by 3 plus 24x minus 12 equal to 5. We will take the LCM. 3 will be coming out as LCM. So after calculating with 1, it will be coming out as 3 plus x plus 72x minus 36 equal to 5. So after solving, 72 plus x equal to 73x and minus 36 plus 3 equal to minus 33, and this 5 will be multiplied by this 3, so as to 15 will be there. So minus 73x, this minus 33 will be transposed to right hand side so as to become positive 33. So 15 plus 33 would be 48, so x will be equal to 48 by 73. So have a full glance of question number 15, exercise 8.1, chapter linear equations in one variable. Now come to the question number 16. So the question number 16 is 3x plus 5 by 5 minus x minus 2 by 3 equal to 5x minus 7 by 6. So first of all we will take the LCM. 15 will be coming out as LCM. So this 3 will get multiplied by 3x plus 5, and this 5 will get multiplied by minus x minus 2. So 9x plus 15 minus 5x plus 10, 5x minus 7 by 6. This 15 will get transposed to right hand side, and here as it is in division it will get multiplied. So it will get cancelled by 3, of course. 3 to the 6, 3 5 the 15. So this 2 will be transposed here as it is in 2 is in division here, so it will get multiplied, and this 5 will multiply this 5x minus 7. So here 8x plus 50 and 25x minus 35. In our next step, 8x, this 25x will be transposed as to become minus 25x, and this 50 will get transposed as to become minus 50. So 8 minus 25x, of course minus 17x, and minus 35 minus 50 will be coming out as minus 85. So this x is equal to 85 by 17, that is 5. So our answer of question number 16 of exercise 8.1 linear equations in one variable is x equal to 5. Have a full glance of question. So if any type of doubt is there, you can ask me by commenting into the comment box. So in my next video I will be completing the exercise 8.1 from question number 17 to question number 22. So if you guys like my videos, or if it is somewhere helpful to you, kindly subscribe to my channel, hit the like button and share the videos as much as possible so everyone can get a fair chance to have the solutions. So take care of yourself. Thank you so much.